Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming and joining us for this celebration and pre-release event. And this is a very, very special movie for me, Vishwam. To be Shrinu Vetla Garu's heroine and a part of hashtag Shrinu Vetlaism is a very, 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 I think probably the biggest feather on my cap right now, because I am very, very proud to be Sir's actress, to be directed by him throughout, and I love you, sir. Thank you so much for all the love, support, and patience you showed with me. So much patience. But thank you for teaching me so much on set, teaching me so much on screen, for redefining me as an actress, for elevating my acting skills throughout. Thank you so much. And I hope I did justice to Samaira. Um, Thank you, Gopi sir, for being so humble, so kind, and always being such a sunlight on set. Literally, you have been awesome. I loved dancing with you, and I'm speechless right now because I enjoyed working so much with you. Thank you so much, sir. And Venu sir. Thank you so much for all the support, for being such a huge pillar of Vishwam. Without you, all those hectic schedules outside in Italy would have not been so easygoing and so comfortable. Thank you so, so much. Thank you, KV Guhan sir, for literally being the source of light on set, off set. Like, you always made my mood light and made me feel so good and made me look so beautiful. And everybody, this is 100% a visual treat. And thanks to the beautiful location, and only because of KV Gohan sir, we could have captured it in this way. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Vishwa Prasad Garu, for elevating our movie to some next level. Without you, this would not have been possible. Thank you so much. And I always say People Media Factory is literally home away from home for me, because you all make me feel so at home. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you. And thank you to my entire team of Vishwam, all the technicians, ADs, my team, Sakina, big shout out to you. I love you guys, and this movie would have not reached this level if even one of y'all didn't do your job properly, but you have all done a fantastic job. So thank you so much. Thank you, Mom, for always being my constant support, always being with me, for making sure I never miss home, no matter where I am. Even though you're so sick today, you've come here just to show me love and support. I love you so much. You're my best friend and everything, everything. And I want to thank all the primary cast of Vishwam for doing such a phenomenal job. Because of you, we have gotten the love and support in all our teasers, our trailers. Thank you so much. Pragati ma'am, you're my fave. I love you so much. It so happened that I started doing Double Smart, and she was a part of that cast. And the first time I came on set and realized that Pragati ma'am is playing my mom, I was elated, because she's an amazing human being and even better actress. So thank you, ma'am. And I want to thank all the choreographers, Shekhar Master and Sirish Master, for making us dance like crazy, and for everybody who's loved the steps and has made reels. Thank you. And last guy, I want to tell thank you to my fans and everybody. Because of you, I am here today, because of your love and acceptance. Thank you so much for always showing me so much love. And I also want to wish a very, very, very happy Navratri to everybody. And Jai Mata Di. And also, Vishwam, it's a pakka family entertainer that is going to take you on an insane train ride filled with entertainment, comedy, action, And definitely it is like a Navratri treat, a Dasera sweet, as I've been saying. So please go enjoy on 11th October and shower us with your love and constant support. Thank you.